Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode, we're going to be unboxing the Honda Magna 1994 model, which is a 118 scale Diecast Cruiser Motorcycle manufactured by Motomax. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a standard window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Motomax. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5 as their tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. So what we are looking at today is a 118 scale diecast model of the Honda Magna 1994 model manufactured by Motomax, which is a company I recently came across that manufactures quite a few amazing diecast motorcycles. And at first glance, this diecast model is a cruiser style motorcycle and looks quite premium and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of intricate details to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components made of ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details, which makes it look a premium collectible, which is functional as well. I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation as I'll be able to add it to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection, and with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. And with that out of the way, now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, now let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Honda Motor Company Limited is a Japanese public multinational corporation primarily known as a manufacturer of automobiles, motorcycles and power equipment. Honda has been the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer since 1959, reaching a production of 400 million by the end of 2019. The Honda Magna was a cruiser motorcycle made from 1982 to 1988 and 1994 to 2003, which was powered by Honda's V4 engine taken from the VF and the VFR. The introduction of the engine on the Magna in 1982 was a milestone in the evolution of motorcycles that would culminate in 1983 with the introduction of the Interceptor V4. The V45's performance is comparable to that of the Valkyries and the Honda 1800cc V-twin cruisers, while Honda's release of their V4 technology in the Magna was certainly a bold move. And for further information on Honda, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I drop the Best Buy links in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for some unique and fun diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more fun episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.